Hello guys, welcome to Cybertrack channel. So meeting you all after a long time. So I didn't post videos related to cybersecurity for a couple of years due to some personal issues. So this channel was inactive. So hereafter this would be active, and I have planned to upload videos related to cybersecurity and ethical hacking. So keep supporting me and subscribe my channel. So let's get into the videos. So in this today's video, I'm going to teach you about some basic cybersecurity uh, stuffs that's related to the commands that you need to know when you are using a terminal, a Linux terminal. So these are the essential commands you need to know when it comes to Linux terminal. As we have used Windows, which is fully graphical user interface and which is more easier for you to use by just clicking buttons. But Linux is totally opposite. It's fully command line interface. You need to get hands-on experience with these commands, working with it, and then typing on Linux terminals. So all your work you do will be on this terminal. So let's get back to the video. So this is the Kali Linux I have installed on my VMware, as I have posted a video related to Kali Linux, how to install it on your VMware previously. So get back and watch the video if you haven't installed Kali Linux yet on your PC. So let's get to the video. So this black icon is the terminal. This is where you will be working with when it comes to Linux. So where you create file, or you delete file, or you run scripts, or whatever you do will be on this terminal. So comparatively, I have taken some basic commands. So with the commands, I'll be practically showing you how these commands work. So the first command is print working directory. So print working directory. So basically, this print working directory shows you where you are currently now. So you could see where you are currently now. Sorry. So basically, you are in your Kali directory. So this call is located inside home. So actually, this is the path where you are currently now. So basically, you could see this. And this command is mostly used in such instances where you work with files or folders. So you get stuck with some instances where you won't know actually where you are. So in order to check where you are, in order to print where you are currently now and the path where you are located in, this command helps you. So this is where you are now. And then the next command is ls. So ls refers to list. So this will list all the files and folders that are inside your current working directory. So now your current working directory is Kali. So inside Kali, this will list all the files and folders. So you could see all the files and folders that are located inside. So imagine you are working with a file or folder, so you wanted to know what's inside. So you just type ls, that will list all the files and folders. So there are also some hidden files where you can't access. So basically that won't show you some files and folders. You will basically check it using ls so this will show you all the files and folders inside this directory. So apart from this cd, so cd refers to change directory. So change directory, this will let you to change the directory from your current working directory to another directory or your previous directory. Imagine now you are in Kali. So as we said before, we are in Kali now. So imagine you wanted to move to home. So this home folder, you are moving it back. So you are moving previously. So what you do is you just type cd and two dots. These two dots will take you back to home. So now you are actually in home. Imagine now from your previous directory, you wanted to move forward to your next directory. So at that instant, just type your directory name. So this Kali. So you type Kali and you have moved forward. Imagine now also another instance. Imagine you take desktop. So this is an folder. So you wanted to move inside this folder. So what you do is you just type cd and desktop. So you are inside the folder. Imagine you wanted to come back out, or you wanted to go to your Kali folder. What you do, just type two dots. So you go back. So this is how you change your directory from your current working directory to another directory, either is front or back. And then the next is mkdir. So mkdir is simply make directory. uh, or in simple terms, to create folders. So this is used to create folders. Imagine you are creating a folder named as cybertrack. Sorry, cybertrack. So this is a folder you're gonna create. So basically, you have now created a folder cybertrack inside your Kali directory. So you wanted to view whether it has been correctly created or not. So what you do, you just type ls to check. So here you could see cybertrack is a folder that you have created inside your Kali directory. So this is how you create a folder. And then touch. So touch is basically used to create a file inside a folder. Imagine now you are uh, sorry. Imagine now you are currently in Kali. Now you wanted to go inside your cybertrack folder. So you have gone to your cybertrack folder by typing cd. So now you are inside your cybertrack folder. Now you wanted to create a file. So what you do, you just type touch and create a file as test. So now you could see a file name test has been created. So this is how you create a file inside a folder. So to create a folder, you just type mkdir, and to create a file, you just type touch, and then cat. So cat is basically used to be what's inside the folder. So basically, now you are in cybertrack folder. So inside cybertrack folder, you could see there's a file called test. Now cat will show you what's inside cybertrack. What's inside the test file. Imagine there's nothing now. We haven't written anything in the test, so it shows empty. So suppose if I write something in the test, let's say I'm writing something inside the test, just 1 2 3 4 5, and then now I have written something inside the test folder. So I wanted to check. So what I do is I just type text and cat and test. So I could see what's basically inside this file. So this is how cat is used, and then rm is used to remove the file. rm basically rm basically removes the file. So rm test will remove the file. So now you can see nothing is inside the file, and then suppose if you wanted to remove the whole directory, that's just rmdir. So you basically remove the whole directory into it. So now you could see there's no folder called cybertrack. And then apart from this, cp will copy the file. Now basically we create two files, touch test and uh, touch test one. So basically you wanted to copy this and paste it into this. So what you do is cp test and test one, the file what you are going to copy and the file where you are going to paste it. So that's basically where you copy and paste. Imagine now you wanted to move this totally into this folder. So you using mb command, which is move. So you basically move this test to test one. So now we have moved to test one. So there won't be a file name, a folder name, file or folder. Sorry, we have created a file here. So there won't be a file name test hereafter. So as you could see, there's no test. So it's just test one. Uh, Sorry. Yeah. So you could see you can't see anything as test. So basically, it is moved to test one. So you could see how test one is. And then the next is sudo. So sudo is basically the super user. Basically, this has more privileges like admin user. So you just move into your super user as sudo. So basically now you are into the root access. So this is where you have the admin privileges. So basically now you are Kali as a user, normal user, sudo. By using sudo, you could move to your root user. Root is basically known as the super user or the admin privileges where you have more privileges. So in order to download or install some files and folders, you need to have this root access. And apart from that, history command will show the history what you have done. So this history will show you what actually you have downloaded, or what you have done, or what you have typed in the terminal. All this you could see from this history. And apart from that, clear will clear all. Imagine you have viewed this, now you wanted to clear everything. So just type clear and it will get clear. You can also use a shortcut called Control L. So basically, now you just type Control and L, so it will get clear. So these are the basic commands you need to know and you need to get familiar with when it comes to Linux. So this will be applicable to all the Linux commands. So that's it about the tutorial related to Linux. So if you wanted, these are the essential Linux command. Every cybersecurity beginner should know. So if you want a part two where I will explain advanced commands or hacking related Linux usage, you can comment below. So if you have any doubts, you can comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity tutorials on Cybertrack. So see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.